Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to copy paste text on iPhone. Now, the traditional way is just to double click the text and the option to copy and paste will appear. So you need to copy it, and to paste it, you just need to long hold. The option will appear again and click on paste. That's how you usually do it. Now there's another way. If you want to copy the text, again, highlight the text and use your 3 fingers to pinch the screen to copy it. As you can see, there will be a copy option at the top. Now in order to paste it, you just need to use the same 3 fingers, hold them together, touch the screen and release, and paste. And that's it. That's how you copy paste text on iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.